Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Narayan Khade, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Zoology, led Pushpadev Patil's Arts and Science College, Mysore. Just today we are to discuss the unit number 1 from the semester 6, the various forms of DNA, or we can say they are the types of DNA. In last lecture we already discussed first of all the DNA as a genetic material, in various experiments to prove that the DNA is a genetic material. Then another aspect, that is the chemistry of DNA. Actually here, in details, the first of all the what is the nucleic acid, then the types of nucleic acid, DNA, RNA, and then chemistry of DNA. Means the composition of DNA in detail we already study. Today we have to now discuss the another aspect, that is the forms of DNA or types of DNA. First of all, the nucleic acid. DNA मतलब न्यूक्लिक ऍसिड अगोदर येतेच, म्हणजे न्यूक्लिक ऍसिडचेच टाईप काय तर डीएनए आणि आरएनए. ओके, टू टाइप्स, डीएनए अँड आरएनए. डीएनए मीन्स डिऑक्सी न्यूक्लिक ऍसिड. इथं डिऑक्सी म्हटलं जाते कारण एक ऑक्सिजन कमी असते. रायबोज न्यूक्लिक ऍसिड मध्ये काय म्हटलं जाते की तिथं O5 येते, म्हणजे ऑक्सिजन तिथं 5 ऑक्सिजन असतात, पण डीएनए मध्ये किती 4 ऑक्सिजन असतात, म्हणून डिऑक्सी रायबोज न्यूक्लिक ऍसिड. हा, ओके. This is a 5 prime end, this is a 3 prime end, this is a 3 prime end, this is a 5 prime end. In next unit, we are already we will discuss the in detail the DNA replication. Okay, this is a backbones, phosphate and sugar molecule. This is a backbone. Okay, this is a base pairing. Okay, this is a helical structure of DNA. This is a base pair. Okay, this is a sugar phosphate backbone, bond, sugar phosphate. This is a nucleotide. This is the hydrogen bonds between these two base pairs. Hydrogen bond, phosphate, sugar, nitrogen bases. Okay. A variation in DNA. Most of the DNA is in the classic Western and Crick model, simply called as bDNA or B form DNA. म्हणजे वॅटसन आणि क्रिक यांनी तो काही जो डीएनए आहे, जो क्लासिक जो डीएनए स्टडी केला जातो, दॅट इज द बी फॉर्म डीएनए और बी डीएनए ते होते. इन सर्टन कंडिशन डिफरंट फॉर्म ऑफ डीएनए आर ऑल्सो फाउंड. आपल्याला असं काही आढळतात की वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्म मध्ये डीएनए आपल्याला आढळून येतात. इट टू बी अपियर लाईक, दॅट इज दी ए डीएनए फॉर्म, झेड डीएनए फॉर्म, सी डीएनए फॉर्म. ओके, तर वॅटसन क्रिक यांनी जो डीएनए डिस्कस केला, वॅटसन क्रिक मॉडेल, दॅट द बी फॉर्म ऑफ डीएनए. परंतु त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्तही आणखीन वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्म मध्ये डीएनए आपल्याला अपेअर होतात, जसं की ए डीएनए फॉर्म, झेड डीएनए फॉर्म, सी डीएनए फॉर्म. These DNA, they are, means that is the A, Z, C DNA, they are based on their structure diversity. Okay, different form of DNA. X-ray analysis of DNA, crystal at atomic resolution have related that DNA exhibits so much more structural diversity than formerly envisaged, such as variation are. त्या डीएनए मध्ये जर आपण जर एक्सरे फॉर्म मध्ये जर बघितलं, तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय दिसतील, वेगवेगळे काय दिसतील, व्हेरिएशन दिसतील. जसं बी फॉर्म ऑफ डीएनए मोस्ट कॉमन, originally dedicated from X-ray diffraction of sodium salt of DNA fiber at 92% relative humidity. Okay, most common. A DNA form originally identified by X-ray diffraction of analysis of DNA fibers at 75 relative humidity. Okay. Z form DNA left-handed double helical structure wind to the left in a zigzag pattern. Okay. C form DNA formed at 66% relative humidity and in presence of litmus and magnesium positive ions. We can see that this is the diffraction forms of DNA. B असेल, A असेल, Z असेल, C असेल, पण A हा, सॉरी, B हा मोस्ट कॉमन आहे ॲज कम्पेअर टू B, A, Z, C. This is the structure of DNA. major minor groove, we can say that. Let us we discuss the B form of DNA. It is also described by the James Watson and Francis Crick. तुम्ही 11वी 12वी मध्ये स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डीएनए ज्यावेळेस जे काही स्टडी केलं, that is nothing but the form, that form of the structure of DNA is B form of DNA, commonly found in DNA. Okay, and DNA molecule consists of two helical polynucleotide chains coiled around common axis. एक सेंट्रल ऍक्सिस असते, त्या सेंट्रल ऍक्सिस भोवती ते एकमेकाला कॉईल झालेले असतात. ओके, helical structure, two helical are wound in such a way so it is produced a two interchain spacing or grooves, major or minor grooves. Okay, this groove provide a surface with which protein chemical drug can interact. Okay, त्याच्यामध्ये protein chemical drug can interact. This is the central axis. या central axis च्या surrounding ला अवतीभोवती हे दोन जे आहेत रिंग्स म्हणता आपल्याला, एकमेकाला काय करू राहिले, ते जॉईन होऊ राहिले, म्हणजे हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म करू राहिले. हे मेजर ग्रुव, याच्यामध्ये मायनर ग्रुव. वन कम्प्लीट ज्यावेळेस टर्म होते, वन कम्प्लीट टर्म 34 एंगस्ट्रॉम. ओके, the central axis, the hydrogen bases, sugar phosphate backbone. Okay, it is all about the B form of the DNA. Two helical wind along the molecule, two chain run in opposite direction. They are anti-parallel. The plane of base perpendicular to the helix axis, right-handed, twisted, uniform diameter. Then the 20 Armstrong complementary base pairing. Base pair per turn is 10.4. Rise per base pair is 3.4 Armstrong. Then another, that is A form of DNA, is the one of the possible double helix structure which DNA can adapt along with other two biologically active helical structure. B form DNA, Z form DNA. Right-handed double helix, short and fat compared to B form DNA, occur only in dehydrated sample of DNA, such those used in crystallographic experiment. The A form of DNA was originally identified by X-ray diffraction analysis. DNA fibers 75 relative humidity. The grooves are not as deep in B form of DNA. Thus, the bases are more tilted to 20 Armstrong. The base pair per turn is 11. Rise per base pair is 2.3 Armstrong. All about the A form of DNA. This is the A band DNA. हा सेंट्रल ऍक्सिसला नाही बघा, बी फॉर्म आहे. A form of the DNA. Then Z form of the DNA, one of the many possible DNA double helix structure, left-handed double helix structure, wind to left in zigzag manner. Left-handed आहे, wind to zigzag manner. The DNA backbone were in zigzag manner, so they are termed as Z-DNA. Discovered by Rich Nordium and Wang in 1984. It has anti-parallel stand as B DNA. It is long and thin as compared to B form DNA. A remarkable character: adjacent sugar have alternating orientation. In Z-DNA, purine conformation, base and sugar are near and on same side. Pyrimidine anti base and sugar are distinct on opposite side. Only one deep helical grooves. There are 12 base pair as per the term with axial rise 3.8 Armstrong, angle of 360 degrees. This is all about the Z form of DNA. This is the Z form of DNA. Long thing term Z form DNA. Then another, that is the C form of DNA, formed by at 66 relative humidity, low in percentage of litmus or magnesium dipositive, right-handed with axial rises 3.32 Armstrong per base, 9.33 base pair per turn, helical pitches 3.32 Armstrong, into the 9.33 Armstrong is equal to 30.97 Armstrong. Base pair rotation is 38.58 Armstrong, has a diameter of 19 Armstrong, smaller than that of A and B DNA. The tilt of base is 7.8 Armstrong. This is the C form of DNA. Final measure DNA conformation of ABZ. Helix A मध्ये right handed, E right handed आणि Z काय left handed. Okay. Width widest, intermediate आणि narrowest. Plane of base काय perpendicular to helix axis, perpendicular to helix, perpendicular to helix. Central axis कशी 64 holes along helix. Teeny central, no internal space. Major axis narrow wide deep and no major groove. Wide and wide and narrowed and deep and narrow and deep. Okay. In different DNA configuration in respect to the A, B and Z form. This is the A form, twist, B form, Z form, A form, B form, Z form. Coiling right-handed, left-handed. Number of groove to measure minor helical pitches, right? B form, Z form is all about the various types of the DNA. B form, Z form, C form. Okay. A form. This is the B band. This is Z band. This is B DNA. We can see that Z DNA, that is B. 5.3 5.3 5.3 is all about the various contributed types of DNA. Thank you.